Ever had that sinking feeling when your laptop just won't turn on? It's like your digital lifeline has suddenly gone on strike. But fret not, because I've got some tricks up my sleeve to revive that stubborn device. First things first, check the power source, is it plugged in properly? Next, try holding down the power button for a few seconds. If that doesn't work, remove the battery if possible and reinsert it. Still no luck? It might be time to seek professional help. That's where Sai Laptop Service comes in. With their expertise and reliable solutions, you can kiss those laptop troubles goodbye. So, don't let a dead laptop ruin your day. Call Sai Laptop Service at 997 crores 24 lakhs 47,766 and get back to smooth sailing in the digital world.